Hello, welcome to this lecture video. I'm Dr. Melanie Gigurat, and today we will be talking about Microsoft Excel Solver. So of course, we have to check when we open our Microsoft Excel. For us to use the Microsoft Excel Solver, we have to see if we can access Microsoft Excel function. So how will we do that? So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Microsoft Excel. And in data, you have to see if we have solver in our Microsoft Excel. So in the case of my Microsoft Excel, as we can see here on this side, we must see the solver. So the data analysis is just here, but we cannot see the solver. So how can we add in the solver here? So the first step is to click File, and then we have to go to Options, and Add-ins, and next is at the bottom we can see here Excel Add-ins. So this one, we have to click Go. So a window will come out, and we have an option Analysis Toolpack and until Solver Add-in. So we have to check this. This is what we are looking for. This is the Solver Add-in, and then click OK. So after doing that, of course, expected that in our data, we can already see the solver. So let us just wait for a while it is processing. So this is the solver. So this is what we need for us to use the Microsoft Excel solver. So if we click this, we have here some questions asking for the objective, asking for the constraints, because Microsoft Excel solver is used in solving linear programming problems. So this is all for this video. So we have a separate video for sample problems that we can solve using Microsoft Excel solver. Thank you for watching.